I have looked over the service standards for multiple regional centers. I have so far, I've just kind of a sampling across the state. And so far, I've only seen one that articulates specific uh, requirements in terms of limits and how much they'll fund, which is Westside. I've seen them say that they will fund, I believe it's up to 6 hours a week when it's hourly services. For camp, they have a 2 cycle and 60-day cap, so like two types of camps and a maximum of 60 days across the year. I think for education services, it's like up to 10 hours a month. They're the only regional center that I've seen so far. Now, regional centers may have internal policies about that, but they're supposed to be published in the service standards. And I've only seen, now again, we took a sampling of all the different regional centers, but I have only seen the ones so far that articulate specific caps in the service standards.